Good evening, sir. My name is Murali. I completed my M.Tech. Today I am going to discuss about chapter trigonometry. Trigonometry. The father of trigonometry was Hipparchus. Here, trigonometry means trigono means angle. Metry means measurement, measure. The branch of mathematics which deals with angles measurement or measurement of angle is called trigonometry. Here, trigonometry is applicable for only right angle triangle. Only right angle triangle. Okay. Only right angle triangle. Already we know in right angle triangle we are applying Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is in a right angle triangle the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. That is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is the formula for Pythagoras theorem. Here we are applying we know that 6 parameters we are used here: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, and finally cot theta. These are the 6 parameters which we are used in trigonometry. Okay, take one right angle triangle. Take one right angle triangle ABC. Here it is a right angle triangle. Already we know this is a right angle triangle and it is 90 degrees. Here you are taking theta. Here you are taking theta. Theta is a parameter which measures the angle. Theta is a parameter which measures the angle. Here it is a theta. This is a side which is opposite to theta, so it is called opposite side. It is a BC is a side which is opposite to theta, then it is called opposite side of angle theta. And AB is a side which is adjacent to angle theta. This is called adjacent side. Here in a right angle triangle, the opposite side of 90 degrees, the opposite side of right angle is called hypotenuse. Is called hypotenuse. Okay. Here we are taking sin theta is equal to, what is the formula of sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. This is the formula for sin theta. What is the formula of cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. And what is the formula for tan theta? Tan theta is simply written as tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. That is equal to, we are dividing sin theta by cos theta, then we get hypotenuse get cancelled. We get opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. This is the sin theta formula, cos theta formula and tan theta formula. And getting cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is reciprocal of sin theta. If we are reversing the sin value, then we get sin theta. If we are reversing the sin theta value, then we get cosecant theta value. So hypotenuse, that is equal to 1 by sin theta is equal to, reverse means, okay na, numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. So reciprocal of sin theta is called cosecant theta. Then hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse by opposite side. And secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. Secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. So secant theta 1 by cos. Cos reciprocal means the denominator becomes numerator and the numerator becomes denominator. That is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. And cot theta is equal to reciprocal of tan theta. Reciprocal of tan theta, and this is also tan theta. So it is also get reversed. Cos theta goes to numerator and sin theta goes to denominator. That is equal to cos theta by sin theta. That is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side by opposite side. This is the formula for sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. These are the formulas. Okay. Directly they are asking sometimes if sin theta is equal to 3 by 5, then what is the value of cos theta? Then what is the value of cos theta or tan theta or cosecant theta? Okay. Now we are going to know about the Pythagoras theorem. Here Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Suppose if you are taking a right angle triangle ABC. Okay. Suppose if you are taking right angle triangle ABC, the formula of Pythagoras theorem or a statement of Pythagoras theorem is, in a right angle triangle the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. In a right angle triangle the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. Here this is a hypotenuse, this is one side. If you are taking theta or if you are taking angle this side, then this is one side and this is another side. So what is the formula? Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. This is the hypotenuse. The side value AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is the formula of Pythagoras theorem. Okay. This is the formula of Pythagoras theorem. And if you are taking theta this side, if you are taking theta at an angle C, then Pythagoras theorem will change. Then Pythagoras theorem will change. No, it's not changing, because here you are taking theta and here also you are taking theta. Hypotenuse does not change. Opposite side and adjacent sides will be changed. So if you are taking theta at any angle, okay, except 90 degrees, the Pythagoras theorem is same. This is about Pythagoras theorem. Sometimes they are asking, if sin theta is equal to 3 by 5, then find tan theta, secant theta, etc. Okay. Sin theta is equal to 3 by 5 means what is the formula? Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. This is A, B, C. Here you are taking theta. This is the opposite side. Value you take 3 and hypotenuse 5. You don't know about adjacent side. So if you are applying the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, then you get adjacent value. Then you get adjacent side value. If you are getting adjacent side value, then you find cos theta, tan theta, secant theta, cosecant theta and cot theta. Whatever they ask, that will be find. That will be fine. AC square means here AC means 5 square. AB means we don't know, AB square plus BC square means 3 square. 25 is equal to AB square. 25 is equal to AB square plus 9. AB square is equal to 25 minus 9, 16. AB square is equal to 4 square. AB is equal to 4 centimeter. This is the value of 4. This is the value of 4. Then you substitute 4 in adjacent side value. Then you get whatever they ask. Okay, whatever they ask: cos theta, secant theta, cosecant theta, cot theta, tan theta. Whatever they ask, you should be here. Okay, this is the concept. Next, we are going to find the values. Find the values of theta. That is, suppose if you are taking sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, or cot theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. This is the tabular form. This is the tabular form. Here you are taking 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Okay. This is the angle, and here is parameter. In down you are taking parameter, and up you are taking, okay, that is the values. Okay. Next, sin 0, 0. If you are remember the first sin value, then you get cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant theta. 0, 1, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. This is the sin value. If you are reverse the sin value, then you get cos theta. If you are reverse this value, you are getting 1 root 3 by 2 reverse. Okay, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. This is the tabular form of cos theta. What about tan theta? Already I say tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. If you are taking tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, then 0 by 1, 0 by anything is 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, 2 get cancelled. You are getting 1 by root 3 value. You are getting 1 by root 3. Root 2 also cancelled. You are getting 1. And 2 will be cancelled. Root 3 is the value. 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means in denominator if 0 is there, that value can't be defined. Any value doesn't divide with 0. Any value doesn't divide with 0. So 1 by 0 is infinite. So 1 by 0 is infinite. What is about cot theta? Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. And okay na? Okay, from right to left values you can write infinite, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0, 1 by root 3, 0. Secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. Reciprocal of cos theta. So 1 by 1, that is the value of 1. Root 3 by 2, denominator gets numerator, numerator gets denominator. 2 by root 3, 1 by root 2 becomes root 2, 1 by 2 gets 2, 1 by 0 means infinite, that is not defined. That is not defined. And cosecant theta is the reverse of the secant theta. Infinite, 2, root 2, 2 by root 3, 1. Okay, if you remember the sine theta values, then it is easy to remember all these values. Remember to cos theta, tan theta, cosecant, cot. Okay, cosecant, cot, and secant theta values. Okay, then our problem is how to remember the sine theta, sir. How to remember the sine theta? For your remembering, I will say one trick. Okay, 0. Suppose 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here these are the 5 values. Which is the biggest value? 4. So all numbers are divided with 4. All numbers are divided with 4. Then square root, apply square root. Then apply square root. You get sine theta values. You get sine theta values. 0 by anything is 0. Here 0. 1. Root 4 means 2. Root 1 means 1. That is 1 by 2. Root 2. 2 ones 2 2. 1 by root 2 is the sine 45 value. And root 4 means 2. Root 3 by 2 is the value of sine 60. And 4 get cancelled. Square root of 1. Okay, square root of 1 power 100 or 1 power anything. 1 power anything is only 1. So this is the tabular form of a sine, cos, tan, cot, particular angles 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 degrees. Okay. Then in this type they are asking some questions like evaluate tan 60 by 1 plus tan square 60. Evaluate tan 60 by 1 plus sine square 30. Then what is the value of tan 60? Root 3. 1 plus what is the value of sine square 30? 1 by 2. Here square is there, so whole square. Root 3 by 1 plus 1 by 4. That is equal to root 3 by 4 is the LCM. 4 plus 1. Here 5 by 4. When it goes to R, it will be reverse. 4 by 5. That is equal to 4 root 3 by 5. These are the problems regarding to tabular form. Sine 0, 30, 60, 45, 90. Some particular angles, some particular angular values, some particular angular values. Okay, and they are asking some type of problems. Sine of a minus b is equal to half. Cos of a plus b is equal to half. Then find angles a and b. Then find angles a and b. Sine of a minus b. Left side here you are getting sine value. So right side also you are getting sine. Then it will be cancelled. A and b are remained. Okay. A and b are remained. So in sine values, in sine which angle we are getting 1 by 2 in tabular form? Sine 30 degrees. So sine cancel. A minus b is equal to 30. This is the first equation. Next, cos of a plus b is equal to half. Then what is the when is the angle half? Okay, when the angle came, that is equal to cos 60 degree. Cos cancel. A plus b is equal to 60. Here we are solving 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. You are getting a is equal to 45, b is equal to 50. These are the some problems regarding to that trigonometric table. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss about complementary angles. Okay, complementary angles. Okay, this is the concept. Okay. This is the concept 1. This is the quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Already we know in the coordinate geometry. already we know in the coordinate geometry. Okay, here we are getting for our remembrance we are taking all silver tea cups. Here A means all means sin theta, cos theta, tan, cot, cosecant, secant. All will be positive in first quadrant. Silver first letter is in silver first letter is S. So sin and cosecant will be positive. Sin and cosecant only positive in second quadrant. T means in first letter T is T, so tan and cot are positive in third quadrant. Cups first letter C, so cos reciprocal of cos is secant theta. This only positive in fourth quadrant. Okay. Sin of, here we are taking 90 minus theta, 90 minus, and below 90 you are getting quadrant 1, and above 90 you are taking quadrant 2. Okay, same version. 180 below 180 you are getting second quadrant, above 180 you are getting third quadrant. Okay, four quadrants, total angle 360 degrees divided by 4 is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so 90 minus theta, 90 plus, 180 minus, 180 plus. Third quadrant 270 minus theta, 270 plus. Again 360 minus theta in fourth quadrant, 360 plus theta in fourth quadrant. Okay, here we are applying on 90 degrees, 180 degrees. If we are taking 90 degrees and 180 degrees, then sin will become sin only, cos will become cos 180 and 360. Tan becomes tan only, cot becomes cot, secant becomes secant, cosecant becomes cosecant. If suppose 90 degrees, 270 degrees are there, then sin becomes cos becomes sin, tan becomes cot becomes tan, secant becomes cosecant becomes secant. Okay, suppose if you are finding the values sin of 180 plus theta, what is the value of sin of 180 plus theta? Here sin of 180 plus means third quadrant. In third quadrant, okay, tan and cot are positive, so sin can be negative, so minus. 180 means 180 plus means 180 plus sin becomes sin only, that is equal to minus sin theta. Okay, this is the version of alloyed angles. Trigonometry applied for alloyed angles. Okay, all silver tea cups. Okay, in first quadrant all are positive, in second quadrant sin cosecant only positive, in third quadrant tan and cot are positive, in fourth quadrant cos and secant are only positive. Okay, here you are taking 180 360. If 180 plus or 180 minus, 360 plus or 360 minus, then you get sin becomes sin, cos becomes cos, tan becomes tan, cot becomes cot, cosecant becomes cosecant, secant becomes secant, and cot becomes cot. If you are getting 90 or 270, 90 plus theta, 90 minus theta, or 360 plus theta, 270 plus theta, or 270 minus theta, then you get sine becomes cos, cos becomes sine, tan becomes cot, cot becomes tan, and cosecant becomes secant to, secant becomes cosecant. Okay, this is the procedure for trigonometry applied for alloyed angles. Trigonometry applied for alloyed angles. Then identity formulas there. Last topic here. Last topic. Identity formulas. Identity formulas. Okay, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is one of the formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then if you take one right angle triangle ABC, you are taking theta at an angle A. Then this is opposite side, this is adjacent side, this is hypotenuse. That is opposite side, adjacent side, opposite hypotenuse. Okay, what is the formula of sin theta? What is the formula of sin theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side means BC, hypotenuse means AC. That is BC by AC whole square plus. What is the value of cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is equal to AB by AC whole square. Okay, AC whole square. Then BC square by AC square plus AB square by AC square. That is equal to, here AC square is the LCM, BC square plus AB square. Okay. From Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem? Here we are applying ABC triangle. Pythagoras theorem is equal to AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is equal to, here BC square plus AB square can be written as AC square from Pythagoras theorem. From Pythagoras theorem. PT means Pythagoras theorem. AC square can be cancelled. You are getting 1. Okay. This is the formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. What is identity formula? If LHS and RHS both are equal, then it is called identity formula. Same formula. Next. Cosecant square theta minus cos square theta is also 1. Cosecant square theta minus cos square theta. ABC is a right angle triangle. You are taking theta opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse. Okay. Then what is the cosecant theta formula? Reciprocal of sin. Sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse. Cosecant means reciprocal. Hypotenuse means AC by opposite side BC whole square minus cot means reciprocal of tan theta. That is BC by AB. Here AB by BC whole square. That is equal to AC square by BC square minus AB square by BC square. BC square is the LCM, then AC square minus AB square. From Pythagoras theorem, we are getting AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Then we want the value AC square minus AB square. So shift AB square from RHS to LHS. AC square minus AB square is equal to BC square. Here that is equal to BC square by BC square, get cancelled 1. This is the formula formula of, okay na, identity formula, relation between cosecant and cot. Finally, we are getting three formulas in this. We are getting three formulas, that is equal to identity formulas. Cosecant square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay, these are the formulas, identity formulas of sin, cos, cosecant, secant, tan and cot. Okay, big problems are based on these formulas only. Very big problems are based on these problems only. Here sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. If you want sin square theta, that is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. This is one of the formula. And if you want cos square theta, that is equal to sin theta. Okay, square shift to RHS side, it becomes root. Sin theta is equal to root 1 minus cos square theta. Cos theta is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta. This is the formula for finding sin theta. If cos theta they given, then find sin theta means this is the formula. If sin theta they will given, then formula for finding cos theta is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta. These are the formulas. Then we know the formula. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. If you want to find secant theta value, secant square theta is equal to minus, go to RHS side, minus becomes plus. Secant theta square, go to left side, shift to left side, then secant theta is equal to square root of 1 plus tan square theta. Secant theta is equal to square root of 1 plus tan square theta. Then if you want tan square theta value, secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Tan theta is equal to square root of secant square theta minus 1. If they given tan theta, then what is the formula for finding secant theta is equal to square root of 1 plus tan square theta. Then if we are given